All right, so today we went out, tried a couple new methods, baits, so to speak. Really not new methods, but probably just tried a couple different baits. Didn't go well. So went out to the Susquehanna River, which really phenomenal smallmouth fishery. And so are the tributaries. So we started at a tributary, worked a couple baits there for a while, something I thought would work just from my experience. Nothing was really happening. So we moved to a different spot. Again, nothing happening. So I just threw on a spinnerbait. It's not how I usually fish those areas. Usually I finesse jig, a swim jig, in a couple of those areas. Let me see. Try to think like a venom donkey snatcher or something. Just something, a little swim bait, something like that. And usually it pans out, but today just wasn't happening. So water was really murky, which I didn't expect. I think we haven't had too much weather lately, so the water levels weren't really high, and usually it's a little stained, but there wasn't too much visibility. So had one spinner bait with me, and just before the end of the day, grabbed a smallie. One decided to cooperate with me, and turned out to be a nice little fishing trip. It was anyway, but it just made it that much better. So hope you enjoy that. And again, as always, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. And just trying to grow a channel. I think we have some good things coming. We have some good ideas. So things will implement, and you will see some kind of progressive changes as things go on. So for now, hope you enjoy the catch, and thanks for taking a look. Yeah, got one. There we go. Little Susquehanna River smallmouth. See if I can get them up here. All right. Nice fish, huh? Oh, easy. Easy. There we go. Meaty fish. Not very long, but very stout. Good color. Very nice. Mama? All right, was having a tough day so far. I've been out for a few hours, changed spots a couple times, but it paid off. Consistency. So we'll put him back, or her back, it looks like. All right. Oh, I love the smallmouth bite. All right, girl. So all the things that I thought would work today have not. So I just kind of stuck a spinner bait on. This is a Strike King KVD. This actually came in a Monster Bass box. Strike King KVD spinner bait. It's a 3/8 ounce Colorado and willow blade. Anyway, it did the job. I was throwing it around here, just kind of throwing it parallel, as parallel as I could where I'm at, and it didn't seem to work. So, all right, let's see if we can get another one, eh?